Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, again, we are back with our M9H, also known as the T800 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, we have it here. Okay, if you're wondering why I call it a T800 smartwatch, a Pro Max smartwatch, again, let me show you the about page of this smartwatch. Okay, just a rebrand. As you can see here, T800 Pro Max smartwatch. So we are going to call it a T800 Pro Max smartwatch instead of the M9 Edge. Okay, although the box is M9 Edge, still this smartwatch is a T800 Pro Max smartwatch. We are going to check the blood pressure and the heart rate monitoring of this wearable and compare it with our Omron medical grade device. Okay, we already set here, as you can see. So we'll see and check whether we'll have a close result. Okay, we'll find out if we do have just a random or fake sensor here for the wearable. Okay, so let's start first with our medical grade device. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, we are now set. We are ready. So let's try. Okay, and monitor our health. Again, we can only compare the heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring. We still don't have a device for the blood oxygen monitoring. Or another one, the ECG. Okay. Later on, after the comparison, we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of our health with our Omron here and our smartwatch. So let's see. We do hope that we will have a good sensor here. Okay. So let's see. We do have 109/73 with 70 beats per minute. Okay. So let's check with our smartwatch here. Okay. So let's check first with our heart rate. So again, we do have how many? 70. Okay. So we have here 81 plus 10. Very far. Okay, again. Okay, 72. Okay. Oh, that is much closer. We do have 70 here. And we have a 72. What about for the blood pressure? So let's check. Okay, let's change the menu here. Let's change the menu. Okay, let's look for the option here for the menu. Style number 2. Let's set heart rate, blood pressure. There. Okay, so let's see. Again, our blood pressure result is 109/73. Okay, do have a 4. Okay, very far from the results here. Okay, 109/73, and we do have 119/85, as you can see here. Okay, so let's check. What if we do have a simultaneous detection? Maybe we'll have a much reliable results here. Okay, let me wear this first. Okay, we put it in. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me. It's not that tight. Okay, so that's it. Again, start. I'm just going to trigger the heart rate here after the results here. Okay, it's now detecting. Okay, let's stop. Okay, we'll see in just a few seconds. So 118/83. Okay, very close. Again, seems like we do have a much better sensor here than the previous one, the T800 Ultra. I don't know, or maybe just a random. 117/86. Okay, how about for the heart rate? We have 84, very far. Again, that's it, 74. Okay, seems like the results are okay. Okay, but still, it's not advisable to use the results here as a means of diagnosing your health. Anyway, the results are okay with our T800 Pro Max smartwatch. So far, the results are not that far compared with the Omron. Okay, plus or minus 5, I think. Okay, so again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. We have here the comparison review of our T800 Pro Max smartwatch versus the medical grade device results here. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.